Hi, I'm Terry from Arcan. In this segment, we're going to talk to you about your air conditioner. So the air conditioner requires 110 volt power to run. So it won't run on your battery, you need to be plugged into shore power. If you don't have shore power, you can use a generator. I would look to use a minimum of a 3000 watt generator. There are hard start kits available to put into your air conditioner that will help it through that startup phase if your generator is not quite getting it going. Check with a parts specialist to find out more, to see if that's an option available for you. With the air conditioner, to operate it, it's simply operating through the same thermostat that we use for the furnace. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. If you hit mode, right here we have cool. This will set your air conditioner to run, and then you'd simply set your temperature, and we'll get a nice cool 18 degrees, and your air conditioner will cycle on with this temperature. If you wanted the fan to stay running, you could simply select high or low fan. The fan will then continue to run while the compressor cycles. A couple other things to note with your air conditioner is there's a filter in the return air. So to clean your filter on your air conditioner, you simply remove this cover plate. They're all a little different, but this one slides out. And then we have this filter right here. Take this filter off and you just give it a clean, and then you put it back in and check that once or twice a year to make sure it's clean and that your air conditioner has good airflow. Simply put it back in, you slide it up and lock it in place. On this model here, it actually has a feature where you can open the vent right here and allow the cool air to come in all into this area here. So if you're just got back from a hike or you're extra hot, you can open this up and get yourself cooled down quickly. In the closed position, this does use the roof ducts located throughout your unit to distribute the cool air evenly through the coach. Well, that's your air conditioner. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit one of our many locations or give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thank you very much.